So let's talk about affiliate marketing, what it is, how to make money with it, how much money you can make with it, and how do you get started with it. Hey, it's Leah Ray from ToddandLeahRay.com, social media marketing expert and online entrepreneur. My husband and I own several types of online businesses, and affiliate marketing is by far one of our most favorite ways to make money online. Affiliate marketing is what allowed me and my husband to quit our jobs, stay at home full-time with our kids, and it's what allowed us to move from our little old farmhouse in the middle of nowhere, Oklahoma, to our dream home here in Florida. And it's what allows us to give our kids a life that they deserve and the life that every parent wishes they could give to their children. So if that's something that you want for yourself in your life, if you want to be able to live life on your terms and to have freedom to work from home and to make more money than you've actually made at your full-time job, then listen up, because affiliate marketing is one of the very best ways to make money online, and it's a great way to get started in an online business. Now, I'm not saying this is easy. It definitely takes a lot of work, especially in the beginning. But if you're willing to learn the new skills, if you're willing to get to work to make this lifestyle a reality for yourself, then this is the video for you, because affiliate marketing is something that has a lot of income potential for those who are serious about it. So stick around, and I'm going to give you the inside scoop on exactly what affiliate marketing is and how you can get started making money online today. Okay, so affiliate marketing, what it is, how does it work, how do you make money with it, and how do you get started? That's what we'll be sharing with you today in our video. But first, if you haven't yet subscribed, we are here to help you build your online business, grow your brand, generate leads, and make sales. So make sure to subscribe and hit the little bell button for notifications if you haven't done so yet. Okay, so what exactly is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is simply where you refer people to purchase someone else's product and you get paid a percentage of the sale. There are a lot of companies out there that will pay you money to refer people to their website to buy things. Now, for example, Amazon has an affiliate program. If you go to their website, you can scroll to the bottom of the page and you'll see a little link there that says become an affiliate. Now, you just click that link and you can sign up for free. It says you can earn up to 10%, but honestly, most things are only going to pay you about 5, maybe 7% or less. Now, Walmart has an affiliate program. Just Google search for Walmart affiliate program and you'll find their affiliate program website, affiliates.walmart.com. It's free to join and you typically earn between 4 and 5% on whatever customers you refer. Wayfair, again, just do a Google search for Wayfair affiliate program and you'll find a search result that says partner with us. Just click on that link and you'll see the information about their affiliate program. Lowe's, Best Buy, Target, Bass Pro Shops, Macy's, there are just tons of retailers out there that have affiliate programs that you can sign up for. Now, physical product retailers are typically going to pay around 5 to 7% of the sales price, depending on the category of products sold. But when you start getting into digital products, you can start earning 30 to 50%, sometimes even more. So digital products would be things like digital downloads, apps, software, online training programs, things like that. For example, ClickFunnels is a company that sells marketing tools to online business owners. And it's something that we ourselves use in our business, and we're also affiliates of it. So whenever we refer an online business owner to ClickFunnels and they subscribe, we earn 40% commissions on their monthly subscription fees. Active Campaigns is an email marketing system that we use that also has an affiliate program. So we earn 35% commissions on every customer that we refer to them. Bluehost is a web hosting company where we are also affiliates. So when we teach people how to build a website, we tell them all about Bluehost, we give them our affiliate link to check it out. And when they sign up with Bluehost, we earn a commission from that. Now, as you've probably already figured out, there's a lot more money to be made as an affiliate when you start promoting digital products and services. Now, not only is the commission rate higher, but these are often recurring subscriptions that people pay monthly for. So you refer the customer once and you get commissions every month that they remain a member. So not only can you make a lot of money with affiliate marketing, but what's really cool about it, and it's just a super simple business model. You don't have to create your own products. You don't have to deal with customer service, fulfilling orders, or anything like that. You simply recommend a product or service to people, and when they click on your link to buy something, you get paid. Now, the challenge with affiliate marketing is actually getting in front of people and convincing them to click on your affiliate link to buy something. So if you really want to be successful with this, you have to understand that it's a lot more than just signing up for an affiliate program and spamming your affiliate links everywhere, which honestly is what most people try to do. Nobody clicks on that stuff. It just looks spammy. All right. So to be a successful affiliate marketer, you have to create content that people actually want to watch. Things like reviews, tutorials, training videos, comparison videos, unboxing videos. Think about someone who is looking to buy something. What do they typically do? They go online and they type in something to Google or YouTube like best video editing software, or maybe they just heard about a specific video editing software and they're specifically searching for Camtasia reviews, or maybe they're trying to decide between two different programs that seem good and they're searching for Camtasia versus Adobe Premiere. So the first thing you need to do is to figure out what people are searching for just before they buy something. This is called keyword research. What are they typing into Google or YouTube when they are looking for information about a product or service that they want to buy? Once you know what people are searching for, then you know what kind of content to create. So if someone is searching for best DSLR camera and you create a blog post or a video about best DSLR camera, people are going to say, hey, that's exactly what I was looking for. And so they click on your video, and in it you make a recommendation about what you think is the best DSLR camera and why. And then you put in your affiliate link in the description of the video. When people click on that link to buy that camera, you get credit for the sale and you earn a commission for the referral. Now here's an example. This is a recent YouTube video we did teaching people about making engaging Facebook videos. As a part of the video, I showed them my editing process and did a mini tutorial on showing them how to use the editing software I use, Camtasia. I mentioned in the video that I'll include the link for anyone looking for a good video editing software, and I put the link in the description. That is our affiliate link, and when people click that link and purchase that software program, we get a commission. Now, I'm obviously not hard selling anyone. People who are watching this video are interested in making videos, so it's a tool that could help them. So I share it with them, and it's a win for everybody involved. Easy peasy. On YouTube, you'll often find lots of links in the video description for the products that they talk about in the video. So if you're watching a video about how to do smoky eye makeup, the links to buy that makeup specifically are typically that person's affiliate links. Same thing when you read an article about the best DSLR camera, the links to buy those products are usually going to be affiliate links. So those are the basics of what affiliate marketing is and how it works. Now, if you want to get a more step-by-step training on how to start affiliate marketing and how to be really successful with it and even make a full-time income from it, then click the link at the top of the description of this video. And it'll take you to a free training program that shows you how to get started, how to find products to promote, and how to really make a full-time income with it. So be sure to sign up for that right now because it's the best program out there that will get you up and running as fast as possible as an affiliate marketer. So, is affiliate marketing something that you want to add to your business? What other questions do you have related to affiliate marketing? Comment below, let me know, and I'll be sure to answer whatever questions that you have. Now, hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure to comment, like, share, subscribe. We definitely appreciate it. Again, this is Leah Ray from toddandleahray.com, and we'll see you soon.